What's up, you guys? So, fun fact, we've actually had almost 200 episodes of all things Adrienne. So to celebrate, I decided we should go through some of the iconic, groundbreaking, stunning outfits that I've worn on this fabulous show. Do you guys think I'm gonna love them all? Do you think I'm gonna be like, yes, that was the dopest outfit? Yeah, no, I think this is about to get interesting. Thanks to Benefiber for sponsoring this portion of this video.
The person that actually put me onto Benefiber was my mom, and Jeannie and I were always talking about how important it is to have a healthy gut. And Jeannie was putting us onto all these things, and she's like, Adrienne, you need more fiber. So when I got home, I ended up telling my mom in New York, I'm like, so I think I need to add more fiber to my diet. The Benefiber Prebiotic Original is taste-free, and it dissolves completely, making it super easy to add to any of your favorite foods or beverages. Plus, it's plant-based, and what I really love is that they have these Benefiber on-the-go stick packs that are so convenient, you literally could just throw one in your purse. Perfect for travel. This little guy is plant-based and taste-free, and it's actually already pre-measured for you. So it couldn't be more convenient to add fiber to your diet anytime, anywhere. You guys should definitely be adding fiber to your wellness routine. So all you have to do is click the link below to get more information.
Thanks to Benefiber for sponsoring that part of my video. And since we're already on that outfit, I figured we'd start there. I love the outfit in this video because I designed it. It's super soft. It's from our Lagoon Lounge collection. It's part of our knits collection, and it was called the Hills set. We named it that because it was actually designed while we were here in our house in Beverly Hills. Moving right along. Okay, actually, Lana sent me a bunch of pictures of all of the different outfits, so I'm gonna swipe through right now. My second outfit that we're gonna go over, while I actually think that overall this is a cute look, I would never wear this lip color today. Like I'm just not into like colorful lip colors. As colorful as it's gonna get, it's either going to be like a really great orange, like an Hermes orange, or just your classic red. This magenta fuchsia hot pink vibe, I would never do again. But I actually do like this dress. It's giving Hamptons vibes. And you know, I always love my hair up, but still I wouldn't wear my bun like this. Like, I would not wear my bun like this today. It's one of those buns that literally looks like it has a donut in it. Yeah, not the vibes. I would not wear this dress either. I'm not really into florals for spring. Groundbreaking. Comment below if you know what movie that's from. I love my hair here. I don't know, this like sweetheart neckline. It's giving like quinceañera meets Easter Sunday vibes, and I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. Comment below if you would still want to see me wear this this ruffled floral dress. Lana's saying she don't want to see me in it. Rude. I agree with you actually. Yeah. Okay, you know I love a good blazer. So I'm into the blazer here. Love this purse. This purse is amazing. I like the t-shirt and this set. Like I actually like this outfit. I'm not gonna lie. The sherbet sorbet pink is not really my vibes currently, but overall I do love this vibe. I just have to be in the, where would I wear this to? Pink. I started out so positive and it's just going downhill. I started out like, oh, I like this, and now I'm saying, lies. No. This bag with these fuzzy, flashy balls, not gonna do that. I think I went through a phase where I kept wearing things that are chic and dope, but not intended for my body type. Like a lot of these dresses are for a woman that has a smaller bust line, and here I am busting out of these dresses. So I think that's the biggest difference, is I now am more aware of dressing for my bust and my body type.
Oh my God.
Lana, what the heck? Lana just like literally gasped behind the camera right now. She's like, I have on a pajama shirt with pearl jeans. This is actually quite tragic. there are actual pearls on my jeans with a vieja pajama button-down top. But Ray looks real cute. Shout out to Ray. We clearly were in a rush. Maybe we assumed that you wouldn't see my pants because we were at the desk. Maybe that's the only answer I can give you. That's the only defense I have. I love this. I love this. I would wear this today, absolutely, on a vacation. This is actually by a designer friend of mine who's absolutely amazing, Winona. And I wore this little romper that she created to do the tour of my closet. And I'm obsessed with it. Oh, see, I knew what number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8. And it has the little belt that goes with it. Oh God. This is just so bad. This is so bad.
You need to apologize if you're anyone's outfit of the day inspiration.
Guys, I am so sorry if I was your hashtag OOTD. Actually, it wasn't bad for then. It's just not anything I would wear now. Again, this poor little, I want to apologize to this strap right here. That strap was holding up too much. It was too much. Demasiado. Like that little strap was like, not great for bigger boobs. But mom looks great. Love your outfit, mommy. Classic, timeless. What was with all these floral dresses? There's like florals. Let's try to go through and see if I don't have floral on. Floral, 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 what are these patterns? I'm fucking. What is this? Guys, this periwinkle joint, this is straight. I feel like I look like an older woman. Like, okay guys, don't do this. This is like, this is not good. This is cute, but again, I wouldn't, who am I? Strawberry shortcake? I do love my hair though in this. I would definitely wear my hair like that again. This feels really young, overly girly,
Baby doll.
and very baby doll vibes. You're right. Like I'm not strawberry shortcake in this. I mean, I am strawberry shortcake here. I'm no longer strawberry shortcake. She wears black on black on black on black on black. I think at this point I was spending a lot of time in LA. These are like very light, fluffy, floral, colorful things. And when I'm in New York, I'm definitely way more 50 Shades of Black. So, moving right along. I don't know what's going on with all the patterns. Do I ever wear patterns anymore? I don't wear patterns anymore. This is like attempting to be Cheetalicious, and once again, my breasts are barely contained. Okay, I not only would do this outfit, I would absolutely wear my hair like this. I love everything about this. I love it. I love the earrings. I love the hair. This is a vibe I can get with. I would absolutely be seen wearing this whole look. Today, it's giving 90s throwback, and I'm totally into this look. I love this look, and it's because I just wore it last week, and I would absolutely wear it again. Loving the throwback zebra vibes. I'm loving animal prints right now. I am obsessed with faux leather blazers. Totally the vibe right now. I feel like I could throw them over any dress that almost could look too like half naked or doing too much. I feel like you just give them this edge by throwing a black faux blazer over it, faux leather blazer, and that's the vibes I was giving here, and I absolutely loved it. I wish you guys could have seen the whole thing. It was really, really cute. I just said I don't wear patterns anymore, and then I love animal print. But seriously, okay, I just don't like colorful floral prints, but I do love animal print. Maybe not black and pink cheetah though. All right, okay. I stand corrected. Patterns can still be fly. Was I talking about being the flamingo here?
Yeah, that was the flamingo episode.
It is? Say Bible.
Yeah, the Bible.
Then that makes sense. Okay. I'm gonna defend this look solely because Lana's just pointed out to me that we were discussing The Masked Singer and me being the flamingo, which I think that this dress is literally the exact color of my costume as the flamingo. I'm into it. I understand why it was worn. Would I wear it today? Probably not. It's the hair, it's the ruffles, it's the florals. My hair is giving a lot, as if the shoulders weren't giving enough. I've got straps, I've got ra-cha-cha-cha-cha. And then there's also my breasts that are, again, just begging to make an appearance on All Things Adrienne. My breasts want a credit. Can you credit them right here? Guys, why didn't you tell me that I had these crazy outfits on? Polka dots, stripes, straps, sleeves. There's like 10 things going on in this outfit that are not okay. I literally don't know what I was dressing for. I think this was the look then. I did have a lot of polka dot things, like when I went to Venice and Italy, like that was the vibe that summer, and those were the things that were in style. But currently, you will not catch me in polka dots and stripes at the same damn time. And obviously, I love this outfit because it's a sample from my knits collection for Lavoot, and it's actually a color that we ended up not doing. Yes, I love it. It was actually like loungewear for the house. And it was kind of supposed to be me chilling in my kitchen in loungewear that you wear at home. So I wouldn't wear this outside, but this is a really cute set to like just chill at home and look cute and comfortable and cozy. I love this. Okay, I'm standing by my cozy loungewear. You guys know that I love good loungewear. That's why I created Lavoot Lounge. This is actually a really chic cashmere set that I absolutely loved. I still own this and it's amazing. I thought that this little blush set was perfect for discussing how to decorate your home in rose gold and not some of the traditional colors that you do for Christmas. I love this. I stand by this. I'd wear this yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Am I in Catholic school? I love a good white button-down shirt. Like, I will always stand by a good white button-down shirt. Maybe it's the way I'm looking in the, like, I'm just like sitting like, love this. I love this, and even though this is colorful and I maybe wouldn't wear it today, I do love this look. I love the sleeves. I love the details of the buttons on the side. I stand by this. I'm pretty sure I wore this with a pair of jeans, or was this a dress?
I think it's a top.
I think it's a top with a pair of jeans. I'm not mad at this at all. I stand by this. Lady in red. Well then, I don't know what I think about this. Now, granted, I gotta be honest with you, I loved this jumper. I loved this jumper so much, I actually had it in multiple colors. I had it in black, I had it in blue, and I had it in this white. I really loved it. And I loved that it cinched at the waist, and I loved it for walking through the house. I thought it looked like, you know, quite angelic, a whole vibe, walking through my very creamy, white, beige home. I would wear this on vacation on an island. For sure. For dinner, I would absolutely wear this jumper with a phenomenal tan, and we all know that if you've got a great tan, the best thing to do is to wear white to make it pop. I'm standing by this jumper. Did I have a whole Hawaiian pattern blazer? Is that a Hawaiian pattern?
Everything you put in your smoothie was in that
blazer. What's going on? Okay, so I am officially convinced that during the first 2 years of All Things Adrienne, I loved polka dot, stripes, ruffles, florals. And here I am to prove it. Ruffles. Ruffles. Actually, I really do like this. I just want to say stripes, polka dots, ruffles, polka dots and stripes, and ruffles. I stand by this outfit. I stand by this right here. This here is a cream blazer. I like this outfit. I'm rating this as one of my top outfits of All Things Adrienne because this is a timeless outfit that isn't doing the most. Ruffles and floral. This was like one of those fits, one size fits all. Like, expandable, stretchy. Like, I think this shirt, Bible, look at this shirt. I swear that when I took this shirt off, it was like this big. Why? 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 Just why? Florals. Oh, I love this. I love this color. I love this hair. I love this makeup. This was one of my favorite looks of all things Adrienne. I actually still have this bodysuit. It's hanging in my house in the Westchester house. And I love that I paired it with jeans. Loved our XIXI earrings with it. Loved I just loved this. I think this is my favorite hair color. I actually stand by this outfit and I would wear this today. Funny enough, I actually love this dress, but it initially was purchased as a joke. Claudette, Mariah, and I, one New Year's Eve, we were in New York City and we went to Soho and went to one of my favorite boutiques out there, and we bought 3 of these, and we said that at midnight for New Year's Eve we were gonna change into this and like do a whole choreography and a performance, the 3 of us. We ended up not doing it. No one put the outfits on, and I came back to LA with this in my luggage. And one day we were shooting, I don't know if this was for New Year's or for a holiday one, or maybe it was just for nothing, and I just was like, yes, let's be fabulous. Back to the feathers thing that we were into. Threw this little dress on, and I actually think it looks really cute. I think it's the facial expression I'm making here that's more disturbing than the outfit. Cheetah or leopard blazer. Comment below if you can tell the difference between cheetah pattern and leopard pattern. Clearly the cheetah girls could not. Not gonna lie, looking back at these pictures, I kind of do miss the original Chateau Houghton. That was the last time I had a home that I was in for a long period of time, almost 4 years. And I loved being there. And I feel like just in the last 2 years, obviously with everything going on in our world, I've yet to like feel like I've been in a home and like finally got in there. Like, we were so comfortable in this home, and obviously I wanted a whole totally different look. We had a lot of great memories in that home in Bel Air, and getting a little emo looking at these pictures. I love this. I love this. This was actually the first thing I ever shot for All Things Adrienne, and it was my intro video, kind of telling you guys about who I am. If you don't know who I am, it's kind of crazy looking back. I didn't know what I was doing. I was like, I have no idea how to be a YouTuber. I had no clue of like what this channel would evolve to become. I just was totally clueless, but like down for the ride. I just want to say that I love you guys, and thank you, thank you, thank you, over 1 million subscribers later, for supporting this girl who had no clue of what she was doing while in this bomb trench coat. I actually really like this. Comment below if you think it's time to update the icon of All Things Adrienne. I would love to do like a whole new photo shoot, and you guys kind of give me inspo on what you'd like it to look like and be a part of that. Comment below if you'd like to see that. Or are you the kind of person that hates change and you're like, keep it the same? Thank you for just being on this journey with me. I love you guys so, so much. And I have to say, I think that, you know, in 4 years, I'll be watching this video and saying, I really like that outfit she has on. Where is that from? This is our Lagoon Lounge winter knits that I'm super excited about, and they're cozy and chill, and I can't wait for you guys to be wearing them. I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't.